In this class, we are going to see some of the repeated questions that are asked in most of the interviews. So here we are going to decode that, and it was very useful to decode the problems in your career and next step forward to achieve the success. So here first of all, we are going to see the question 1. Inside this, I provided 2 questions of the programs. So first thing is reverse the string. So reverse the string. This is a simple way to understand because it is nothing but this will reverse the string alignment. So here I open my JavaScript file. So inside that, now we are going to discuss about decode that. Reverse the string program. So here, okay, first of all, if you write out into an interview in the programming level, so that was nothing but it was a simple questions that will be asked, but that time we got a confusion and we don't have any knowledge in that. So it's a small program. You can wonder, oh, this program was has been asked in the interview, that happens. So but this is the truth. These little bits and 2-line codes that are only asked in most of the interviews, because they don't have any time to ask you a large program or a large question. So here sorry okay, இப்போ வந்து reverse the string. So reverse the string means previously I said that it will arrange the string as in reverse order. So here I open the function and I name that function as reverse string. So inside the parameters I enter the values inside that, so that is string. So inside this curly braces I start to write that program. So that is return string split. So this string dot split is nothing but it is used to split the strings by using this string dot split function. So here a dot reverse. So now you can see, first of all I write a function and I name that function as a reverse string. So that is str. So inside that it will return the string dot split. That means this dot split is doing the performance for split the words as a separate thing. So here some of the example that are inside a value hello. Inside this split, inside the string, it will be split into 𝐻𝐸LO. It will split the single words. So then reverse function. So what is the concept is reverse the string. So here the reverse function will be called. So then this join function. So split is it split the words. So reverse means it will order the reverse. So here now I explain that split is nothing but if example I provide the word hello, it will be split up into 𝐻𝐸LLO. So okay, then reverse. This reverse function means it will change the position into OLLEH. So this is the reverse the string function. So then join function. So join means if the sentence is here, so now it can be joined, that is 𝐻𝐸 without the space. So that hello will be shifted like this structure. So here I call that function. So then console log. So inside that we write the function name, that is reverse string. So here I provide the example, that is hello, 𝐻𝐿LO. So now execute this program. So here note space script.js. Here you can see the output was OLLEH. So that hello will be arranged in the reverse structure. So this is a example and one of the most important questions that are repeatedly asked in the interviews, that is reverse the string. So here then so the next one is palindrome check. So this word palindrome is, if you see this word palindrome, oh my god, palindrome is very critical thing and it's a critical program. But this is nothing but it's a simple program. It's one word to declare the palindrome was if you write some word, it will be read from the left to right or the right to left, that will provide the same word meaning. So that is the palindrome. So okay, we are going to see that program by using palindrome check. So here I open my script file. So inside that, what are we going to discuss is palindrome check. So now let's start to write the program. So here I also write the function and I name that function as palindrome check. So inside that I provide a string, inside the parameters I provide the string str. So inside the curly braces we are going to start write the program, that is let reverse string is equal to. So that means previously I said that if a word is given, that will be read from the reverse structure. It also provides the same word sounds and the meanings. So that means the reverse structure will be declared in that. That is the string dot split. So I said that split function in the previous one. So that means it splits the word at a single center, each letters. That is the split function. So then reverse. So what is reverse function? It will arrange the words into the reverse order. So then join. So this join means it will join the words and provide a new one. So here it will be written as a string that should be strictly equal to. So here this strictly equal to means is nothing but I said that the values are written from left to right or right to left. This both are provide the same meaning and the same sounds. So that means this both values are strictly equal to. So if the values is not equal to, this is not a palindrome. If the values is equal, then it's a palindrome. So here, so I return this condition, that is my string is strictly equal to reverse the string. So here I console log is palindrome check. So here I call my function. So I also need to provide a value, that means level. So here this means what? In our split string, sorry, in our split function, this level will be declared at 𝐿𝑒𝑣𝑒𝐿. Then in our reverse function, it will be alignment at, it's also your, if you change that in the reverse order, you also get that same value. So 𝐿𝑒𝑣𝑒𝐿. So this is a palindrome. So now the join function means 𝐿𝑒𝑣𝐿. So it returns the same value that can be provided as a string. So now here I execute this program. So here you can see the output was true. So this output will be true because the palindrome, we check that it is a palindrome or not. So this level is a palindrome, so it will throw the output as true. If I change the value level into mango, here I run this code, you get the output will be false because if we reverse this string, we don't get the same value as the string. So here this is the false output. So this is a simple palindrome check, so don't be worry about that. Here, okay, now we are going to that task 2, that is closure with counter, then remove duplicates from an array. So first of all we are going to see the closure with counter example. So this counter means, I previously said that it has the increment and decrement that values. So some of the concepts are used in this closure with counter example. So here we are going to see the program. So here I open my script file. So now we are going to start with create a function. Then I name that function as counter closure. So this is my task 1. So here I enter the parameters inside that was, so okay, we are calling it later. So inside the curly braces I assume let my count is equal to start from 0. Okay, then it will return the function. So here inside that I write my function. So that is nothing but the count value will be incremented. Okay, so this plus symbol means it's a increment value, so it will increment start from 0. Okay, because I assume that my count value starts from 0. So here I console log it. Inside that the count will be displayed here. So then let counter, this counter is equal to counter closure. So that gets the output as counter. Then I also provide inside a counter. So the count values that will be stored in this function. So here I call the 2 functions. So now I run this code. here you can see that the output was 1 to 2 because I assume that value was 0, so it will be increment. So here I only call the two functions in this, so it get a value 1 and 2. Now I also entered the I also call the another counter function here. So now I run this, you get 1, 2 and 3. So this is a simple counter closure program. So then we are going to see is, here we are going to see the next task was remove duplicates from array. So this is a simple word to understand that because it's a normal word. So here we have an array. In this array we are going to remove the duplicates from that array. So here we are going to start a program. That is, first of all we are going to create the function, so then name that function. So I name that function as remove duplicates. So inside the parameters, remove the duplicates from the array. So here I enter the value as array. So ARR means array. So inside the curly braces we are going to write the program, that is, it will return. So here I use the array concept. So I open the just square brackets. So inside that the new set. So I said that array will provide a new set also. So here new set array. So then let us assume a value, so that the array with duplicates is equal to, inside that I provide array values. So that is, here I enter the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay, duplicate means that the number will be repeated in this. So here I repeat 5 in this array. So there are 2 5s in this array. So here I applied this, it will remove that 1 5 from this array. So it considered as a duplicate. So that here let the unique array so this unique array means nothing but it will remove the duplicates. That means duplicates. So here I will call the function array with duplicates. So now I console log. That is a unique array because it has a unique values inside that, not a repeated values or placed in this. So unique array. Here I save and I'm gonna to execute this program. So here you can see that the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be displayed. So it will remove the one duplicate value of the 5 from this program. So this is the concept of remove duplicates from the array. So then we are going to see the another question was, so here finally we are going to the last question was find missing array. So let me explain that. So we are going to write a program, that is function to find the missing array. So okay, here we are going to start the program. That is, so here I write the function. So inside that I named that function as find missing number. So inside the parameters I call that as array. It has a natural number, so n. So inside this curly braces we are going to calculate some of the integers that are going from 1 to n using the formula that is inside the curly braces. Now open the bracket, so n into n plus 1. So it's a formula you are studied in your schools or colleges, then divided by 2. So here the natural numbers into n plus 1, that was divided by 2. So now let that expected sum value is equal to array dot reduce the find missing array concept. So here I provide a code for that. So you can see this is my script file. Inside that I first of all I create a function that's named as find missing numbers. Inside that the parameters are array and n, that means the natural numbers. So here the formula n star n plus 1 is divided by 2, so that it's used to calculate the sum of integers from 1 to n. So n means it's nothing but it's a natural numbers. So this is known as the arithmetic sum formula. So here it provides a addition method. So sum means it's also a addition. So here the arithmetic sum is formula is performed in this. So in this case, this n is the total number of elements. So n means the total number of elements in the array, and then the actual sum will be calculated here. So that is actual sum is equal to array reduce, then inside the parameters sum and num, and the arrow function will be here, then sum plus num is equal to 0. So this reduce function, so here this reduce function will be declared in that. This is nothing but this reduce function is used to iterate over the elements of an array. So here array and the so here this array is here, so accumulate their sums. So the initial value of the sum is set to the 0. So here we assume that its initial value is 0 for the each element. So here it adds the element to the current sum. So this zeros will be added to the elements to the current sum. Okay, here then then it will return expected sum minus actual sums. Okay, that is nothing but it's a function that minus means is the difference between the expected sums and the actual sum. So this difference represents the missing numbers from the array. So if there is no missing numbers, so the result will be 0. So then we are calling that array in this. So that means const numbers array. So inside that I provide some of the inputs that was starts from 1 to 8. So then we are going to call the function. So console log, my function name is find missing number. So here find missing number will be called. So inside that it was create a new numbers array. So it's a number array. So here's the numbers, name that array as the numbers array. Then natural numbers. So the number is 8. So okay, here I execute this program. So you can see the output will display as 5 because inside this array that value is 1 to 8. 1 2 3 4. The 5 is not placed in this array. So here the missing array was 5, that will be displayed in this. So now I entered the 5 also in this input. So now I am gonna run this. So you get the value is 0. So because there is no missing arrays in this element, so here the value is 0. So this is a simple array finding concept. So that's all, students. So
to obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!